Welcome to this video, type of digital evidence. When a financial firm is hit by cyber attacks, the answer aren't found in the boardroom. They are hidden in digital evidence. The silent, invisible traces left on devices, networks, and systems. In this video, we explore the fascinating world of these digital clues. Unlike physical evidence, you can't touch them. They require specialized tools and skills to uncover, yet they are often the most decisive proof in any investigation. We will break down the key types of evidence in file systems and logs, browser histories and metadata, network traffic and registry entries, mobile devices, data, and multimedia. No single piece tells the whole story. The real skill lies in gathering, interpreting, and connecting these fragments to build a complete and defensible narrative. By the end, you will understand not just what digital evidence is, but why. Knowing where to look and how to connect the dots is one of the most critical skills in forensics. By the end of this video, you will be able to explain what digital evidence is and why it matters. Identify the most common categories of digital evidence. Understand how digital evidence types contribute to building a coherent narrative. Recognize where to search during an investigation. Appreciate the importance of expertise in turning raw artifacts into the defensible timeline. What is digital evidence? Digital evidence is any information stored or transmitted digitally that is relevant to an investigation. It can ranges from a single file to a line in a server log or GPS metadata in a photo. Unlike physical evidence, it is invisible and requires technical expertise to find, preserve, and interpret. The challenge is sniffing through vast amounts of data to find relevant, authentic artifacts and explain their meanings. Key categories of digital evidence. 1. File systems. Track files, folders, and hidden data can reveal deleted files, timestamps, or unusual activities. For example, confidential files moved and copied before an employee resigns. 2. System logs act as a digital surveillance recording logins, file access, and errors. Can show failed login attempts, unauthorized access, or the exact time a breach occurred. Browser histories records visited sites, downloads, and searches. Can link a suspect to a malicious site, stolen credentials, or hacking tools. 4. Multimedia files containing hidden EXIF data like creation times and GPS coordinates can place a suspect at a location or prove file's origin. 5. Metadata data about data showing when a file was created, modified, or accessed, essential for validating timelines and detecting temporary. Example, proving a document was recently edited. Registry and system artifacts. Windows registry and temporary file reveal traces of user activities or malware even after deletion. Network data. Logs from firewalls and routers show data flow, revealing how attackers entered, moved, and exfiltrated data. 8. Mobile devices. Store text, call logs, app data, and location histories. Critical for verifying alibis, tracking movement, and recording deleted communications. In the investigative reality, no single piece of evidence tells the whole story. Power of digital forensic lies in correlation, weaving together evidence from multiple sources to build a complete, defensible narrative. Why expertise matters. With the overwhelming data volumes, investigators rely on expertise to know where to look, where each artifact matters, and how to interpret them without bias. This turns raw data into actionable insights that stand up in court or a corporate review. Digital evidence, the silent witness. Digital evidence comes in many critical forms, from file systems and logs to metadata and mobile data. Each piece is a single puzzle piece. Together, they form a complete picture of an incident. Investigators' role is to recognize these pieces, collect them without compromising their integrity, and weave them into a clear and defensible story. In the end, digital evidence is more than just data. It is the silent witness to digital events, a record of truth waiting to be uncovered and interpreted. In this video, we have learned meaning and the importance of digital evidence in investigation, the main categories of digital evidence and where they can be found, how different evidence types and expert analysis create a defensible timeline. Now that we have understood the fundamentals of digital forensic, let's widen our lens. In the next lesson, we'll explore the scope of digital forensic in cybersecurity, examining its domain, applications, and critical roles in helping organizations respond to and recover from modern threats.